friends, hello everyone, it's Victory. I'm so glad to see you here on my channel, and today I'll teach you one strategy that helps me earn money, and therefore I strongly recommend you to watch this video till the end. In the description below this video you'll find a link to my Telegram channel where you can ask me, as always, any questions you have and any questions you're interested in, and where you'll also find a link to my private Telegram channel where I share my daily trading signals. And in addition, if you text me on Telegram, you will get a 50% gift deposit for signing up on a PocketOption platform absolutely free as a nice bonus. So guys, let's get started. Now let's move on to PocketOption and start trading. Today we're working with the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar currency pair. The trading amount is 7% of my initial balance. I open a down trade for 1 minute. The amount is $300. Do not forget that each candle on the chart corresponds to 30 seconds of real time. The decision to make this trade was made after analyzing the behavior of the market. After every impulsive growth, the price turned out to be higher than the previous high. Couldn't break earlier, and I thought that in the near future there should be a rebound. Price on the chart confirms my assumption and is below the entry point of our trade. Having made the expected rebound, the price tries to reverse but couldn't. So we're waiting, and where it is, great, we earned $267. Let's continue. After the trade was completed, the price pulled back, but is trying to grow again. At the same time, we see strong resistance from sellers who push the price down. I open a down trade for 1 minute. The amount is $300. I made this decision taking into account the price movement similar to the last trade. At the same time, this time my assumption was confirmed by the stochastic indicator, which had a signal about a possible price decline. And again, our assumptions are confirmed. Price is below the entry level into the trade, but after reaching the average line of the donkey indicator, it began to rise actively. But I couldn't resist and continued its decline. The opened candle also tried to grow, but unsuccessfully, and when impulsively went down, and only when it was in the lower half of the donkey indicator, it began to fluctuate slightly. The trade is closing. Here we go. Great. We earned $267 again. It wasn't difficult, so you can continue further. The price continues to be in the lower half of the donkey indicator, but now the fluctuations become much more active. Another candle starts its growth, and on the rebound, I open an up trade for 1 minute for $300 also. So this decision was made due to the weakening of the effects of sellers and the kick of buyers, as can be seen from the long shadows of fast candles. I also took into account the signal of the Williams indicator about the possible growth of price. As you can see, our prediction can be fulfilled. Price is above the entry into the trade. When the local high was reached, the price stopped growing and began to fluctuate. After a slight rebound, it became fixed and stopped moving at all. It seems that the bidding has stopped, but now a new candle opens, which begins to decline, fixing again, and only after that the growth of price continues, and impulsively. So we're looking, there it is, another $267 added to our balance. The trade was easy but unusual, and rarely see such a fading of the price movement. Let's continue. A slight decline in fixation again. They don't want to trade today. When we observe an increase and I open a down trade. For 1 minute, the amount is again $300. When making this decision, I took into account, first of all, the signals of the Williams indicator about a possible decline in price. I also took into account the data of the stochastic indicator, which lines were in the overbought zone and tend to reverse. While the situation is not clear, the price was both lower and higher than the entry of our trade. The price movement is minimal and U candle opens, which is trying to move down. Another fixation followed by a confident downward movement, but having dropped several positions, the price bounced up. Well, looking where it is, here it is. Despite the ambiguity of the situation, we were able to make a profit of $273. So we will continue, and now we will find another entry point to the next trade. The price is at a local maximum. I open a down trade for 1 minute. The amount is again $300. When making this decision, I took into account the decline in price that began after reaching the upper limit of the Donkin indicator. In addition, I also took into account the data of the stochastic and Williams indicators, which signals warned of possible price decline. But the price is above the entry into the trade while its growth continues. Having broken through the upper limit of the Donkin indicator, the trade continues to try to grow even more. And as we can see, they succeed. And the price increases, moving away from our entry into the trade. There's a sharp rebound downwards and U candle appears, which begins to fluctuate. The price continues to decline. The decline continues, and the time of the trade is coming to an end. Here we go. This time our profit is $243. And this concludes our trading session. So let's sum up, guys. In just 7 minutes of real time, we conducted 5 successful trades and earned $1,317 on this trading session. So I think it's an excellent result. And today I showed you once again how to open successful trades using stochastic and Williams indicator. And you saw with your own eyes that our trades were very confident. But before opening a trade, I highly recommend you to carefully consider your current situation in the market, and I definitely advise you to use these indicators which can help you reduce the risks and allows you to make a profit over a long period of time. So I want you to continue using these indicators and trading binary options because, as we can see today, these methods of analysis are not complicated at all. So in the description below this video, you'll find a link to my Telegram channel where you can ask me any questions you have and you're interested in, where you'll also find a link to my private Telegram channel where I share my daily trading signals. And in addition, if you text me on Telegram, you will get a personal link to sign up for PocketOption platform, which will give you 50% on your deposit absolutely free as a nice bonus. So, dear friends, this offer is very interesting and I hope that you made the most of it. So thank you for being with me all this time, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and you will like it and you will subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell so you don't miss anything interesting and useful. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you again. Wish you luck in your future trading session and see you in the next one. Bye.